You walk into a packed American sports bar. World Cup on every TV. The bartender is busy.
What can I get YA? 12 seconds. Order. Or step aside. What do you actually say?
Today, American sports bar English. Realistic, fast, and B2 level.
Welcome to Learn English. I'm William, here with Sarah.
The World Cup is happening across the USA. Sports bars are where you watch with locals, fans of every team.
B2 level today. You can hold a conversation but want to handle American bar culture.
3 topics: ordering, the tab system, and tipping.
Walk in. Sports bars are usually busy. Look for an open stool at the bar or a high-top table.
When you reach the bartender, eye contact, ready to order. Don't waste their time. Have one drink in mind.
Bartender, what can I get YA? Casual American shorthand for what would you like?
Simple answer, a draft beer, please. Or specific, a draft IPA, please. Or by name, Sam Adams, please.
Want to see options? What do you have on tap? They'll list or point to the menu board.
If you want food too, I'd like to start a tab. Beer and a menu, please.
Starting a tab means order more later, pay at the end. The bar holds your credit card.
Bartender, need your card. You give it. Now you can order food and drinks throughout the match.
Classic World Cup sports bar order. I'll do the wings, buffalo medium, and another draft.
Wings come in heat levels: mild, medium, hot, extra hot, or suicide. Choose your tolerance.
Want to share with friends? A pitcher of Bud Light, please. One big container, share between people.
Other common orders: nachos, sliders, small burgers, quesadillas, mozzarella sticks, French fries.
Beer language. On tap a draft equals from the keg. Pitcher equals big shared beer. Sam Adams, IPA, lager equals types.
Order pattern, I'd like. Or can I get, or just beer and a menu, please. Direct is fine.
Start a tab if you'll order more. Saves time, holds your card.
Food classics: wings, sliders, nachos, mozzarella sticks. American bar staples.
Wings heat levels: mild, medium, hot, extra hot. Choose carefully.
During the match, bartender comes by, need another? That means, do you want another drink?
Simple yes. Yeah, same again. Or change, I'll switch to a Modelo. Or stop, no, I'm good.
Watch your drinks, bartenders are busy. Have your answer ready when they come around.
If you want to order more food, can I get a quesadilla? Add to your tab.
If something is wrong, these wings aren't quite right, they're cold. Polite, specific.
If you spilled, accidents happen. I spilled my drink, sorry. Could I get another?
Want to switch tables? Talk to the host. Could we move to that booth? They'll usually accommodate.
Talking to other fans is part of sports bar culture. Common opener. Who are you rooting for?
Or, great match, huh? Or, you see that goal? Easy ways to start chatting.
Be ready for, where are you visiting from? When your accent gives you away.
Tell them, Argentina, here for the World Cup. They'll be friendly. Americans love sports tourism.
When the match ends, time to close your tab. Get the bartender's attention.
Could I close out, or can I get my tab? Both work.
They print the bill and bring your card. Now, tipping. This is critical.
Standard tip in USA, 20% of the pre-tax total. For a $50 tab, tip about $10.
Quick math, 20% of 50, 10. Bartenders usually round up nicely too.
On the receipt, there's a tip line. Write the amount, total, sign. Or pay cash if you prefer.
Tipping under 15% sends a signal you were unhappy. Less than 10%, rude. Don't do it.
Generous tip in sports bar context, 25% if service was great or staff were friendly during the match.
Most apps now let you tip from your phone too. 18%, 20%, 25% are usual button options.
During the match. Need another? Equals want another drink. Same again equals same drink please.
Closing time. Could I close out? Or can I get my tab?
Tipping. Standard, 20% of pre-tax total. 15% minimum. Under 10% is rude in USA.
Make friends. Who are you rooting for? Where are you visiting from?
American bars are friendly. Confidence and tipping well, and locals love you.
Repeat slowly.
Could I start a tab? Could I start a tab, please?
I'll have a draft IPA and wings, medium.
Yeah, same again. Just one more, thanks.
Could I close out, please?
20%. 20% tip on a $50 tab is $10.
Quiz. What do you say?
You arrive, want to order beer and food, plan to stay for the whole match.
Could I start a tab? I'll have a draft and a menu, please.
Your tab is $40. What's a standard tip?
20%, $8. Total, $48. That's normal.
The wings come out cold. What do you say?
These wings are cold. Could I get them heated up? Polite. Specific. Done.
American sports bars are the best place to watch the World Cup with locals.
Know the language, tip well, root for any team, and you'll have a great time.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. Enjoy the World Cup.